I'm Tristan.
And I'm Yanni.
And we're over here at Sawgrass Ford, and we're going to show you the right way to download and use the FordPass app. So the first things first, if you're an Apple user, you're going to go to your app store and type in FordPass. It's going to come up and it's going to look just like this. So since I've already downloaded it, this is what it's going to look like. You're going to go ahead and hit open. And this is the first step. So Yanni has an Android, so he's going to show you what to do.
So you're going to go to your Play Store on your Android. Click on that. Search for FordPass. And download it accordingly.
So I'm going to walk you through step by step on what to do and how to create a new account. So we're going to click United States, next. So first things first, you're going to find yourself on this screen, and I'm going to go ahead and click create an account. I'm going to type in my first name, my last name, email, and my password. Make sure that you have one uppercase letter at least, or else it won't work. And go ahead and click the bottom right box, so you're going to accept the terms, and then you're going to go ahead and hit next. It's going to load. So then it's going to ask you to set a 4-digit PIN. So remember this 4-digit access code that you will always do. So mine's going to be 1234, and then you're going to go ahead and confirm it one more time. So it's going to be 1234, and then it says congratulations, and I'm going to go ahead and skip the tour for now.
Thus, the next thing you're going to do with this is add the vehicle. So push add. We're going to put the address of 14501 West Sunrise Boulevard. Put our city in, just Sunrise. And of course the state as Florida. And the zip code as 33323. And the phone number we should put is 954. Here at the dealership is 851-9000. Click next. It is now loading. And now we're going to the VIN number. This is where we're going to add the VIN number for your vehicle.
Next thing you're going to do is click add a vehicle. So you can either enter the VIN manually by yourself, which is your VIN code, or you can scan it with the barcode. And I'm going to go ahead and scan it to show you how it works. So now that it found the vehicle, it's searching. And it says vehicle found. So now you're going to go ahead and give it a nickname. So I'm going to go ahead and click get started. And now my vehicle will show up like this.
Alright, so from here we're going to go to your vehicle details. Alright, from here we're going to go to activate vehicle. Okay, right now it takes a second to load. And now on the screen we have the request to allow or deny this to be activated with your FordPass. Obviously we're going to push allow. There's that. Continue. Vehicle authorization is complete.
So now that you've authorized your vehicle on FordPass, the home screen should look like this. So now that you can unlock the car, start the engine, and lock the car. So now that we're sitting in the car with the engine off, I'm going to show you how to use it. So you're going to go ahead and hold the start engine button until it circles around, and then you're going to release it, and then in a matter of 5 to 10 seconds your vehicle should start. And there you go. So now that your vehicle is started, if you do not come in your vehicle and physically press the engine start button, then it will shut off within 15 minutes.
And also you have a convenient feature of locking or unlocking your vehicle. So right here, if you push the lock button and hold it, in just a moment, and your vehicle locks.
So the next thing that you can do is click on vehicle details, and you can see a bunch of new different features that have been added on your FordPass app. Starting with your gas mileage, 284 miles empty, your exact location, your tire pressure, your oil life, and your vehicle hotspot. Now there are a few other features within this app, such as find, which is pretty much just like Google Maps, where you can type in an address or anything near you and it'll find it for you. Guides, which you can call, text, chat, email with anybody from Ford and they will assist you. And your account, so you can look at your Ford Rewards Pass points right here, and it should take no more than 30 days to get your points rewarded to you. So you have your Ford credit, your wallet, your message center, your reservations, your settings, and your permissions all as well within this app. And you can edit and view your information at the top.
So the advantageous thing about the Ford Pass is your Ford Pass rewards. For gasoline vehicles, you get $210 that you can use here at Sawgrass Ford for any factory service work or for any factory accessories. $350 for any diesel vehicle for factory service work or factory accessories. Just come right here to Sawgrass Ford. We'll help you out with all this and get you set up with your Ford Pass and your Ford Pass rewards.